How to fix ERR SSL protocol error in Google Chrome. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix ERR SSL protocol error in Google Chrome. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search for date and time settings. Here make sure automatic date and time is toggled on. Next thing you want to do is click on time zone and select the correct time zone. Once that is done, click on the search bar and here search for control panel. Now select internet options, then click on security. Now make sure to set this to medium, then click on apply and OK. Next you want to head over to the content tab. Here select clear SSL state, then click on OK over here. Next head over to advanced, scroll down a bit. Here, you want to check the box that says use SSL 3.0, TLS 1.0 and TLS 1.1. Click on apply and click on OK. Once that is done, you want to open up Chrome. Then type in Chrome : / flags and press enter. Then click on the search bar and search QUIC. Now find experimental QUIC protocol. Click on the default option and here select disabled. Then relaunch the browser and your issue will be fixed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.